Today we have the 2017 Audi S5. This vehicle has done just over 65,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a petrol fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, and on the right we have voice control and automatic headlights. Moving on to our screen, we can access navigation, smartphone integration, radio and media. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with front and rear parking sensors. Just below our screen we have our 3-zone climate control with heated seats on either side. If we press our drive select button just below, we can access our 5 different driving modes. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that all of our seats are full black leather.